In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install the Rampage Trainer for Audio 2 on PC. Check my video description for this site link. Select the first manual download option and select download and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. Check my video description for this second site link. Scroll down and select download option. Select the keep option. Once download done, right click on the script hook and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here and right click on the game and select open file location. Open bin. Select the script hook and then put a.dll, drag and drop inside of a game folder. Once you're done, go back, open the Rampage. Select this ASI and this folder, drag and drop inside of a game folder. Once you're done, launch the game. Once you are in game, press the F5 to open up this trainer. Using the down arrow and up arrow, choose option. To select option, press enter. To go back, press the backspace key. Now to check this Rampage is working, go to Vald time and you can change the time. And as you can see, the time changes. Lots of options available you can explore. And the trainer is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.